Hello.
Hello, teacher. Then.
I have some questions for you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now what's your name?
My name is Ben.
How old are you?
8 years.
Very good. How are you today? How are you?
Good.
Very good. Now, what color do you like?
I like blue.
Blue? And what animal do you like?
I like small dog.
Okay. Now, what do you see at the zoo?
I see a tiger.
Very good. What do you see at the zoo?
I see an elephant.
What do you see
I
at the
see a
zoo?
monkey.
Good job. What do
I
you
see
see
a
at the zoo?
camel.
Yeah. What do you see at the
I
zoo?
see a whale.
What do
I
you
see
see
a
at the
hippo.
zoo? Okay. Wait for Teacher Jane. Okay. What do you see at the zoo?
I see a giraffe.
What do you see at the zoo?
I see a giraffe.
Very good. Now, what animal do you like?
I like lion.
What animal do you like?
I like kangaroo.
What animal do you like?
I like ostrich.
And what animal do you like?
I like gorilla.
Very good. Now, can you tell me what letter is it?
Letter G.
This one?
Letter E.
Mm-hmm.
Letter I. Letter Z. Letter K. Letter L.
Very good. Now, G is for?
G is for guitar. G is for girl.
Good job. Next.
H is for hair. H is for hole.
How about this one? Letter.
I is for ink. I is for inquirer.
And this?
Z is for zero.
And?
Z is for drawer.
Very good. Next. Letter?
Letter K. K is for king. K is for king.
And the last one?
Letter L. L is for leaf.
Leaf.
Leaf. L is for letter.
Very good. High five, Ben. Thank you.